Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do the 3D zoom strobe edit on CapCut. So this edit will make your photo looks cooler, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first, import your photo and then go to style, click on your photo and go to style and find the 3D zoom pro. This one's right here. Click on this style and then it's generating, and now click on a check icon, then go to effects, video effects, and find the party category. This one's right here, and select strobe, this one. Click on a check icon and now your photo will look like this. You can also add some music to make it more dramatic, and you can do this for more than one photo in a video. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.